Ever wondered why credential testing is a crucial part in pen testing? Well, let's dive right in. In the vast world of cybersecurity, credential testing is a critical component of penetration testing, or pen testing as we often call it. This process helps us identify weak or vulnerable passwords and accounts within a system. Imagine trying to keep a fortress secure. It's not just about the strength of the walls, but also about the strength of the keys to the gates. If the keys are easy to replicate or steal, the fortress is at risk, right? Similarly, in the digital realm, weak passwords and vulnerable accounts are like easily replicable keys, putting the entire system at risk. Credential testing allows us to pinpoint these weak spots, acting as a first line of defense in maintaining the integrity and security of a system. It's like a preventative health check for your cybersecurity. Now that you understand the importance of credential testing, let's delve into some of the tools used for this process. There are numerous tools available for credential testing, each with its own unique features. In the vast realm of pen testing, tools tailored specifically for credential testing are indispensable. Let's introduce a few of them. First up is John the Ripper. This open-source software is a favorite among many for its versatility. John the Ripper is not just a simple password cracker, it's a robust tool that can detect weak or guessable passwords. It supports many password hash types and employs a variety of cracking techniques. From brute force to rainbow tables, this tool has got you covered. Its ability to auto-detect password hash types is a feature that sets it apart from many others. Next in line is Hydra. Commonly known as THC Hydra, this tool is renowned for its swift performance. It can conduct rapid dictionary attacks against more than 50 protocols, including Telnet, FTP, HTTP, HTTPS, and more. Its ability to simultaneously attack multiple services and devices makes it a formidable tool in the hands of a pen tester. Last but not least, we have Medusa. This parallelized login cracker is designed for speed, as it can test multiple hosts and multiple passwords concurrently. Medusa supports numerous protocols, and its modular architecture allows for the addition of new modules with ease. Unlike many other tools, Medusa is protocol-specific, meaning it understands the nuances of different protocols, making your pen testing more effective. Each of these tools brings something unique to the table. John the Ripper with its versatile cracking techniques, Hydra with its rapid attacks on multiple protocols, and Medusa with its protocol-specific approach. But remember, these tools are only as good as the person wielding them. Knowing how and when to use these tools is key. In the right hands, these tools can be incredibly powerful. They can help identify weak points, enforce stronger security measures, and ultimately protect sensitive information from falling into the wrong hands. These tools, when used correctly, can greatly enhance your pen testing abilities. So, equip yourself with knowledge and these potent tools, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful pen tester. Among the tools mentioned earlier, John the Ripper stands out due to its wide range of features. This versatile tool is primarily known for its password cracking prowess. From simple text passwords to complex encrypted files, John the Ripper is a master at breaking through various levels of security. One of its foremost features is its ability to detect and crack a multitude of password hash types. It's equipped with numerous hash-cracking algorithms, making it capable of cracking even the most obscure password hash. Moreover, it's designed to be fast and efficient, leveraging multi-core processors and SIMD instructions to boost its cracking speed. John the Ripper isn't just about brute force, though. It also incorporates intelligent techniques like dictionary attacks and rainbow tables to crack passwords, making it a versatile weapon in any pen tester's arsenal. It's not just a tool, it's an all-in-one solution for credential testing. John the Ripper, with its extensive features, is without a doubt a powerful tool in the hands of a pen tester. Hydra and Medusa, though not as versatile as John the Ripper, are equally important in the realm of credential testing. Hydra, named after the mythical beast with many heads, is a tool as fierce as its namesake. It's a parallelized login cracker, which means it can perform rapid dictionary attacks against more than 50 protocols, including Telnet, FTP, HTTP, and more. Hydra's ability to perform multiple tasks simultaneously gives it a significant speed advantage, making it a go-to tool for cracking login credentials. Now, let's shift our attention to Medusa. Medusa shares some similarities with Hydra, such as the ability to perform parallelized attacks. However, it stands out due to its modular design, which allows users to modify or expand its capabilities. This makes Medusa a flexible tool, able to adapt to the specific needs of a pen test. Moreover, Medusa supports a number of protocols that Hydra does not, like SMB and MSSQL, adding to its versatility. When it comes to credential testing, both Hydra and Medusa shine in their own unique ways. Hydra's strength lies in its speed and wide protocol support. Its ability to run concurrent attacks makes it a powerhouse for brute force attacks, cracking passwords at an impressive pace. Medusa, on the other hand, excels with its modular structure, making it a flexible tool that can be tailored to fit specific pen testing scenarios. Additionally, its support for protocols not covered by Hydra gives it a unique edge. To use these tools effectively, it's important to understand the environments they're best suited for. Hydra is ideal for situations where speed is a priority and the target protocols are supported. Medusa, with its adaptable nature, is perfect when you need to customize your approach or tackle protocols not covered by Hydra. In conclusion, Hydra and Medusa, each with their unique strengths, are indispensable tools for any pen tester. They offer a powerful combination of speed, adaptability, and broad protocol support, making them invaluable assets in the world of credential testing. We've discussed quite a bit about credential testing and its associated tools. Let's take a moment to revisit the main points. Credential testing, a critical component of penetration testing, helps identify vulnerabilities in your security system. It's like a stress test for your passwords, ensuring they can withstand attacks. We've explored pen testing tools specifically designed for credential testing. John the Ripper, for instance, is an effective password cracker with a robust set of features. It's excellent at finding weak or easily guessable passwords, highlighting potential areas of concern. Then we delved into Hydra and Medusa, two powerful tools for launching brute force attacks. They automate the tedious process of trying multiple combinations, helping you identify weak points faster. These tools, each with their unique capabilities, contribute significantly to the strength and resilience of your cybersecurity strategy. Remember, the strength of your defense is only as good as the strength of your testing. Stay safe out there.